How's it going, you amazing peeps? I hope you're ready because we're about to fly high and touch the sky. With these amazing drones, you are able to see, video and photograph the world from an entire different angle and perspective. Because today we're about to glide through the only top 5 drones you'll need to consider in 2022. Let's get it! Mavic Air 2 is the best all-around drone you could have. The 1-inch image sensor is equipped with large 48 megapixels and is capable of 5.4K video in 30 frames per second. Not to mention you can even shoot hyperlapse videos in 8K. With the evolution of quick shots, every shot is a masterpiece. This intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap, higher dynamic range, color optimization, and lesser noise. It is also capable of 4K 60p video, up to 240 frames per second to slow things down. HDR video makes sure your colors and quality is always on point. This device lasts 34 minutes in the air straight with 10K full HD video transmission. Not so a pilot yourself? No worries. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. So you can fly like a pro. The 10-bit Blog-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. The best part? This device automatically avoids obstacles, so you never have to worry about bumping into accidents while you fly. DJI Air 2S even features DJI's most advanced OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear and reliable image feed every time you fly. Holy Stone HS720E is as holy as it sounds. You can now make life into a movie with this 1080p, 60 FPS that captures high-quality video and aerial photos. You can enjoy the real-time viewing right from your remote control. Ideal selfie done, catching every moment of your vacation from a bird's-eye perspective is phenomenal. 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables clearer and farther FPV images transmission. The EIS stabilization system is built in, so you can always have stable footages wherever you go. The foldable propellers are pre-assembled, just insert camera, landing gears, and battery. Then, get it to take off. Besides, the foldable propellers makes it easy to keep the drone or take it out. This device is able to last up to 23 minutes with its 2800 mAh modular battery. The silent motor allows you to fly with power without any noise. You can even customize your path accurately with its optical flow positioning. Not to mention the ultimate fast 5G Wi-Fi transmission, paired with RTH will help your drone fly back home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. So you never have to worry about losing your drone. This drone weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. It is super compact and convenient. Mavic Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. The powerful performance has a max battery life of 31 minutes, which grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot for you. It can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. No need to get close for your dream shot. This drone will get it for you with its 4x zoom, which makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. With just a few taps, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos to share directly on social media. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced flyer, the DJI Fly app helps you produce impressive results complete with soundtracks and filters. This amazing small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Evo Lite Plus weighs less than 250 g and can fit almost anywhere, to wherever you go, super ideal for traveling around with you. Compared to other traditional lens of drones, the RYYB technology can increase 40% more light, plus the 1/1.28 CMOS, 2.44 micrometers and 50 megapixel lens made by world-renowned high-quality company in Germany, making sure the night scene is incredible in the dark. Designed with 3-way obstacle avoidance and binocular vision sensors, this drone is extremely safe to fly with, and you never have to worry about bumping into random things. Also, Auto Drone EVO Nano Plus can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, along with 28-minute flight time, your footage is still stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. The new AutoSky app, suitable for both beginners and experienced flyers, helps you to be a professional video editor with just one tap. Discover and create more video possibilities, at the same time share your massive work directly on social media, all within 1 minute. It can even zoom in 16 times in so you can see clearly without getting too close. See the world from the sky with Tello Boost. Whether you're at the park or hanging out at home, take off and experience the world from new perspectives. This small drone weighs only 87 g, has 2 antennas for extra stable video transmission, and a high-capacity battery that offers up to 13 minutes of flight. Tello's camera has a high-quality image sensor to capture 5-megapixel photos and 720p HD videos. If you're a beginner, one-tap easy shots let you shoot pro-level videos to share on social media straight from your smartphone. With a flight controller powered by DJI, this drone lets you perform awesome tricks for indoors and outdoors. Use it like an FPV drone, grab your remote control, and start a racing game. Flying has never been so fun and easy. So now you can fly faster, further, and safer.